Oh shoot, let me get that sticker. Hello there, beautiful friend. I'm Jess. Welcome back to my channel where I do mostly subscription box bag reviews and hauls. And today we are doing the amazing FabFitFun. This one is, you can either do the annual membership, of course, which is around $200 or so, or you could be a seasonal membership where you pay a little bit more. Not much. But the difference is that with the annual membership, you are just about 100% customizable. With the seasonal membership, you are not. So, and actually in this box, this is the first time ever that I chose the surprise me option. This is the spring 2022 box. So actually this is gonna be a surprise to me as well. So I'm excited to get into it. And like always, I do have a subscriber out there that I want to mention. Her name is Cindy. Thank you so much, Cindy. You are amazing. And to all of my loyal subscribers out there, you are as well. If you have not already, go ahead, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all those good bell buttons and all that stuff so you can come back and see me next time. Also, one more thing. I am about to do a giveaway video. It's gonna be a good one. So don't forget to check that one out. Just, you'll have to go to my page and, look at the videos and all that stuff to find it. But I'm about to post it because this is my 1-year anniversary of doing these videos for you guys, and I absolutely love it. So go check out that video so you can get some free stuff. Thanks. All right, so let's get her open here. All right, so here is what the inside of the box looks like. This is the first look. So let's see what we have here. The first thing that pops out here, these are some stickers. They always have some FabFitFun stickers that always come with these boxes. Very fun. Also, there is a $15 off coupon for your first FabFitFun box. So here is that code in case anyone needs that. All right, and then it always comes with the FabFitFun magazine, which usually there's like recipes and such in here. There used to be pages on the different products that were in the box, and then they quit doing that, so I don't know if it's back. I haven't looked in the magazine, of course, yet, but I'm gonna check it out because hopefully there is. I like to be able to tell you what the cost is right away, but otherwise I'll do it during editing anyways. And I did just look through it. They do actually say a couple of things about the actual products themselves, which is awesome. I love to see that. But anyways, so this is just a cool little magazine that they throw in there every time. So the next thing that pops out here, this is the HelloFresh 17 free meals. Ooh. If you want that coupon, there is that coupon. You got that. You check it out. So there we go. First look at the products. Now, the first product that I'm gonna pull out, just because I already know what it is and I absolutely love this product, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Plus Keratin. So this one is gonna work out really well for me because I absolutely love this product. I have used this, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In, but I have not used the Plus Keratin, so I'm excited to see what that's gonna do for my locks. I'm excited to try out the Plus Keratin. So, product number 1. Product number 2. This is the Pericone MD High Potency Classics Face Finishing and Firming Moisturizer. That was a mouthful. So, there we go. Ooh, look at that bottle. I like it. I like it. I like it. There we go. I'm pretty excited about trying out this cream. It just smells like cream. So doesn't have any kind of smell like that. This is 2 fluid ounces. I do have a face moisturizer that I use, but it's like just like a regular like CeraVe, I think that's how you pronounce it, moisturizer. So it's a kind of a cheap one, but I'm excited to try out product number 2. Oh wait, today's sponsor is Cratejoy. Cratejoy is an online company that has thousands of gifts and subscription box bags, all of the above for everything and everybody that you can think of. Go ahead, hit that link down in the description to check them out. You won't regret it. I get most of my subscription box and bags from them. They are amazing and they have coupons and sales all the time. Once again, I will go ahead and put that link down in the description. They make gift giving so easy. Product number 3, this is the Winky Lux Lip Oil. Okay, I think I chose this. I'm not sure, but anyways, the box looks really cool. I know it is actually, this one's a really kind of hard to see, but the box looks really cool. I like it. Let's see what she looks like in there. Ooh, look at how pretty that is. Winky Lux. I know you can't see that. It's kind of hard. There you go. You can see it. So it's got these little like gold star flecks in there. That's really cool. There we go. Product number 3, Winky Lux. All right, next product. This is product number 4. And this is the Hyper Nova Eye Serum. I don't remember choosing this one, but maybe I did. I don't know. I'm not sure. I have no clue. Not a clue. I'm gonna open it up. Look at that. What do you do? I'm nervous about it. I don't know. Serum Contour des Yeux is what it says. I don't know what to do with it. I guess I'll have to read the instructions, directions, and see what you're actually supposed to do with it. But I will say that, oh, you just read the directions, Jessica. Okay, it says a refreshing gel serum that reduces the look of dark circles, fine lines, and puffiness. I need that. I know you can't tell because I put a lot of makeup on, but I need it. So anyways, product number 4. Hello, product number 5. This is the London Town Cuticle Cream. Okay, actually, I don't remember choosing this. I don't know. I have no clue now. I know that some of this stuff is gonna be new to me because I did not choose everything, but this is a cuticle cream. Maybe I did because my cuticles look like, not good right now. So I probably did choose this. And I'm actually breaking the box. I'm literally I am so bad at opening these boxes sometimes. Look, it's just terrible. Good thing I'm keeping it. This London Town Cuticle Creme. It's the cuticle creme. That's what it looks like. Doesn't look like cream, but okay, so maybe I'll have to do that before I go to bed or something. I don't know. Cuticle creme. There we go. Product number 5. Product number 6, I do remember choosing. It's a pair of sunglasses. This is from Privy Revox Eyewear. You say it. How do you say that? All these names that I can't pronounce today, sorry. I do not mean any disrespect to any one of these companies that I cannot pronounce the name. That's just me, I guess. So, I'm so sorry about that. It does come in a cute little case. Cute. Okay, so let's see what she looks like here. Okay, here we go. Oh shoot, let me get that sticker. I actually have a pair that are very similar to this that I got from Shein that were super cheap, but these look much better quality than those. So, anyways, yeah, product number 6, pair of sunglasses. I like them. Let's move on to product number 7. This is a robe, a silky robe, and she feels quite nice. Ooh, she feels nice. Yes, girl. Okay, so that's it. That's the robe. It's actually a short robe, so I think it was like around my knees or something is what it's supposed to be. So yeah, I like it. This is the, it's actually Morgan Lane. Okay, so it's Morgan Lane, but then it says FabFitFun underneath it. So Morgan Lane company probably made this specific to FabFitFun, which is awesome, because FabFitFun is awesome. So there it is. I'll put a picture of like the model from the FabFitFun thing, but you'll see it. This was the plus size one. I think it was, I don't know, size plus, like me. So that's what I chose. And then guess what? Nothing else. That was it. So how do you feel about our spring 2022 FabFitFun box? I really liked it. I thought it was amazing. Okay, all right, let me quit playing with these glasses, sorry. Anyways, I had 7 great products. I think I really enjoyed all of them. All of them look like I'm gonna really like them. I don't even remember because, you know, like I don't know, I chose what I wanted like a month and a half ago or something like that. So some of these, I don't even know what I chose. I'm not sure. Either way, this is what I got and I like it. So, what was your favorite product? What do you wish you got in your FabFitFun box if you get FabFitFun? Or which product made you think like, girl, I got to go get that FabFitFun box? Go ahead, comment down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the bell button, hit the subscribe button, especially do all that good stuff for me, because it does help me out tremendously and it does help me feel very loved. Also, go check out FabFitFun. I'll put a link down in the description for their website as well. Thank you for joining me, and I can't wait to have you back next time.